This is a video on how to fix a sandwich maker. Had one that the kids were using for grilled cheeses, and while it's only a few dollars, we got it used. One day the light stopped working. Come to find out, it's really the thermal fuse that was out. This one I've already done the repair on. This right here is the thermal fuse that I took out, and went down to my Radio Shack, and for a $1.97 was able to pick one up without a problem. On this particular model, I've already taken the screws out. On this one, it has 3 screws that come out. Pull this out. There's really nothing to it. The only portion that has anything to do is this thermal fuse, and it's just connected to a wire down at the bottom. What I ended up doing was taking this screw out, lets the bottom come out. I was able to mess with that. This goes down underneath so you can't really get to it. But with this thermal fuse, you just make sure you put it back in the same direction. Mine, when I had it, it went this way. So when you get the new thermal fuse, you want to put it back in the same direction. My new one has a little black tip instead of a red tip. The little ends are actually crimped. I don't think you're going to be able to see it too well. I ended up using a couple very small screwdrivers, and was able to get that bent open. Then I used my little wire stripper to crimp them back down. Once I crimped them back down, I used I went ahead and I soldered the tip. Might not be able to see it too good here. I soldered the tip, but I used some alligator clamps to create a heat sink before it got to the diode in case it caused a problem. So I went ahead and used some alligator clips, clipped it right here, ahead of it, heat sinked this down, soldered it down. I did that to both ends, same thing on both ends, and put the thing back together. I've already turned it on. Know that it works. We'll be back to making our grilled cheese again. Thanks.